Our planet, a blue oasis in the vastness of space, holds a secret so profound, the ocean's depths. Covering more than 70% of Earth's surface, the ocean remains largely unexplored. It plunges to depths that boggle the mind, hiding creatures beyond our wildest imaginations. Join me now as we journey into the abyss, uncovering the mysteries of the deep sea. Prepare to be amazed by the wonders that await. The ocean's heart beats in darkness, a world unseen by human eyes for millennia. But just because we cannot readily see it does not mean it's devoid of life. In fact, the deep ocean teems with a breathtaking array of creatures, each uniquely adapted to survive in this extreme environment. Our journey will take us through various layers of the ocean, each with its own distinct personality and inhabitants. Get ready to meet the bizarre, the beautiful, and the utterly alien life forms that call the deep sea home. Our adventure begins in the sunlit zone, also known as the epipelagic zone, which extends from the surface down to about 200 meters. Here, sunlight dances on the waves, providing energy for a vibrant ecosystem. This is the ocean we know best, home to colorful coral reefs, playful dolphins, and massive whales. Phytoplankton, the tiny plants that form the base of the ocean's food web, thrive in this sun-kissed realm. The epipelagic zone is a place of constant movement, a bustling metropolis of marine life. Sharks patrol the waters, their sleek bodies cutting through the currents. Schools of fish shimmer like silver flashes, while sea turtles glide gracefully through the water. This zone is a testament to the power of sunlight, the lifeblood of this underwater paradise. But as we venture deeper, the sunlight begins to fade and a new world awaits. As we descend further, we enter the twilight zone, or mesopelagic zone, stretching from 200 to 1,000 meters below the surface. Here, sunlight dwindles, casting long, eerie shadows. The water takes on a deep blue hue, and the creatures that inhabit this realm have adapted to the diminishing light. Many have developed large, sensitive eyes to capture every photon. Some animals in the twilight zone have evolved bioluminescence, the ability to produce their own light. They use this light for a variety of purposes, to attract mates, lure prey, or even defend themselves. One of the most fascinating inhabitants of this zone is the lanternfish, a small silvery fish that uses bioluminescent organs to communicate in the darkness. This twilight world, a realm of shadows and shimmering lights, is a testament to life's ability to adapt to even the most challenging environments. Our journey into the deep takes us next to the midnight zone, or bathypelagic zone, a realm of perpetual darkness stretching from 1,000 to 4,000 meters. No sunlight penetrates these depths and the pressure is immense, hundreds of times greater than at the surface. Yet even here, life persists. The creatures of the midnight zone have evolved bizarre and wonderful adaptations to survive in this unforgiving environment. One of the most iconic denizens of the midnight zone is the anglerfish. This fearsome predator has a bioluminescent lure dangling from its head, which it uses to attract prey. When a curious fish gets too close, the anglerfish strikes with lightning speed, its massive jaws snapping shut on its unfortunate victim. Other creatures of the midnight zone include the giant squid, a creature of legend, and the vampire squid, named for its blood-red color and webbed arms. Section 5, the abyss where life endures. As we descend deeper still, we reach the abyssal zone, or the abyss, a vast, cold and desolate region stretching from 4,000 to 6,000 meters. Here the pressure is crushing and the temperature hovers just above freezing. Food is scarce and life exists in a delicate balance. Yet, even in this seemingly inhospitable environment, life finds a way. One of the most remarkable discoveries in recent decades has been the existence of hydrothermal vents in the abyssal zone. These underwater geysers spew forth hot, mineral-rich water from the Earth's interior, creating oases of life in the otherwise barren depths. Giant tube worms, some reaching over 6 feet in length, cluster around these vents, their bodies swaying gently in the currents. These bizarre creatures have no mouth or digestive system, relying instead on symbiotic bacteria to convert the vent's chemicals into energy. Section 6, Trenches, the ocean's deepest secrets. Our final destination is the ocean's deepest realm, the trenches. These underwater canyons plunge to depths of over 10,000 meters, the most famous being the Mariana Trench, home to the Challenger Deep, the deepest known point on Earth. The pressure here is unimaginable, over 1,000 times greater than at the surface. Despite the extreme conditions, life persists even in these depths. Scientists have discovered a surprising diversity of creatures in the trenches, including amphipods, small crustaceans that resemble oversized pillbugs, and xenophyophores, giant single-celled organisms that can reach up to 4 inches in diameter. These discoveries highlight the incredible resilience of life and the mysteries that still lie hidden in the ocean's depths. Section 7. Adaptations to the deep. Life finds a way. The creatures of the deep sea have evolved a dazzling array of adaptations to survive in their extreme environment. Many have developed bioluminescence, allowing them to communicate, attract prey, or deter predators in the darkness. Others have evolved large eyes to capture the faintest glimmer of light, while some have abandoned sight altogether, relying instead on touch or other senses. The pressure in the deep sea is immense, but these creatures have adapted to withstand it. Many deep-sea fish have soft, gelatinous bodies that can withstand the crushing weight of the water. Some have even evolved special proteins that prevent their cells from collapsing under pressure. The deep sea is a testament to the power of evolution, shaping life into the most extraordinary forms. Section 8. Protecting the abyss, a plea for the unknown. Our journey into the ocean's depths has revealed a world of wonder and mystery, but this hidden realm is facing growing threats from human activities, including pollution, climate change, and deep-sea mining. As we continue to explore the ocean's depths, we must do so responsibly, taking care to protect this fragile and vital ecosystem. The deep sea may seem remote, but it is intricately connected to the rest of the planet. The ocean plays a crucial role in regulating our climate, absorbing carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and providing us with food and other resources. By protecting the deep sea, we are not just protecting a unique and wondrous ecosystem, but also safeguarding the health of our planet for generations to come. The deep ocean holds many secrets, waiting to be discovered. Let's ensure that future generations have the opportunity to explore and marvel at this extraordinary realm.